Hey, greetings YouTube. Performance reviews where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. Today we have a SEBO E2 canister. And if you're not familiar with the E2, this is their hard floor area rug machine that comes with a turbo brush and a few other things. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. And they're very proud that this is made in Germany. I think that packing says a lot about this product. They just put this in the box so perfectly. Let's see what we got here. That is everything that comes in the box. Now this comes with the SEBO branded Work turbo nozzle for your area rugs. It comes with a hard floor tool, but not their best hard floor tool. There's actually a better hard floor tool they make. It comes with a very nice telescoping wand. Ooh. I recommend you go to your local vacuum store and take a look at it because the quality of this is just outstanding. Now the hose here doesn't have any controls on it like its bigger brother, the E3, but it is ergonomic and it does have a grounding strap, so that should reduce static electricity. The hose just references right here, pops right in. Now hidden in the back of the canister is a crevice tool and a nice upholstery tool. And all that just kind of hides back there. You have your cord rewind button, and your on and off, and this on and off also is a speed control. Now on the back of the unit, both tools have a parking bracket, and that parking bracket allows you to put that right there, and everything is going to lock in place like that. Now something that's a bit odd is SEBO puts the dusting brush separately. They also give you an adapter, and the idea is that this is going to be loose if you don't use this adapter. This adapter snaps into here, and it's going to take a little bit of force. And now we have the tool attached. As you can see, this machine stores really compact, really nice and easy. Let's talk about some of the controls on the E2. So here's the power button. So that is your suction control right there. And being able to turn this down when you are doing dusting, pretty important. Speaking of dusting, I want to mention the dusting brush does articulate. It's kind of a nice feature, nice soft bristles as well. They do make a bigger dusting brush if you need. You have your bag check indicator right there. And what that is when you have your attachments off like so, that's going to work kind of like a gas gauge in your car and let you know how full the bag is. Speaking of the bag, look at that. That is a fair size bag. This is one of the smaller SEBO bags, but it is one of the bigger canister bags on the market. This is a little bit bigger than Miele's GN bag, and they're a little bit more cost effective. There is a pre-motor filter right here, very easy. All this stuff with SEBO is meant for the user to be able to maintain fairly easy. Now the bag is out of the machine. The machine's not going to shut without the bag attached. And when you're done with the bag, there is this little guy that folds over right there so the dust doesn't come back in your face. Really a nice feature. And then the bag you see is going to go in right here. You engage this little metal part, and that's what keeps the machine from operating without a bag. It just closes like so. It's a nice 360-degree swivel there and here. So that will help keep her in line. Now something that's unique to SEBO is the air belt. This is an interchangeable piece, and it's got a foam bumper underneath, and it has this like cloth here, and this is to help protect your furniture. And then it's actually exhausting like upwards and out through that as well. That's one of the reasons these machines are so quiet. Now, as we go to the back of the machine, you can see we have 3 soft casters. And then in here, we have you can see some of the sound deadening they put in. Again, great attention to detail. Then in here is, let me pull it up. This is your exhaust filter. So rather than crumbling it up like a normal HEPA filter, what they've done is make this high flow bag as the exhaust filter. A little bit more environmentally friendly to do. And if you weren't aware, SEBO bags and filters are made out of recycled material. That just tucks in right there. Really quite cool. And again, you can just feel the quality of this machine when you pick it up. And then there's a parking space right here as well for your accessories. Well, how much power does the SEBO have? So, the SEBO here at our altitude only has about 70 inches of sealed suction, but it gets a healthy 40 inches of working vacuum, which is excellent. And if you weren't aware, SEBO uses a proprietary fitting on here. It's also shared with some Lindhouse machines. This is 35 millimeters, and that's to allow additional airflow through the machine. So that is a plus as well. All right, you might notice my voice sounds a little different. We have the studio microphone set up. Let's see how loud the E2 is. As you can see, it's one of the quietest vacuums on the market, really pleasant on the ears. Now, the maneuverability of the E2 is wonderful. As you can see, it just kind of moves and glides with you. Those 360-degree casters really do their thing. This also helps prevent the vacuum from tipping. You'll find on hard floor listings of these, this sucks everything up effortlessly. Really pleasant to use. All right, I hope this answers your questions about the E2 and what you're getting. It really is a wonderful little cleaner. I would encourage you to go to your local dealer. I'm going to put a link below to their dealer locator, help you find one by you. If you can't find one there, I'm also going to put a link that helps support the channel to this product as well. If you want to talk about something else vacuum related, go check out our Discord server, link there in the description as well, and have yourself a fantastic day.